Hey you guys, it's Dana. Today I'm doing another blind bag review. Today I have My World Surf and Skate blind bag. More Minecraft, but this is series 1. Minions Mega Bloks and Plants vs. Zombies. Let's start with My World since there's 8 stuff in here. 8 little things in here. It's probably gonna be in the bag. Yep. It's in a little bag. You get to make your own skateboard. Big one. There you go. Whoa. There's a fourth wheel. Is it? Oh, there it is. So instructions on how to put this together. Okay, so here's a skateboard. This one goes like this. Okay, and the wheels. There we go. And then the wheels go on there. Like that. That. Oh wait, I put this one on wrong. There we go. Now this one goes like that. There you go. That. And this one goes like that. There's a little skateboard that I just made. Now that is awesome. Now, what I gotta do is add a sticker. Okay. Skateboard. This is a skateboard sticker. That's really cool. There you go. And then for the hat, it comes with this hat right here that there's nothing on it, but there's this hat sticker right here, and it's like an eye that. So let's put that on. So the hat doesn't look as boring as usual. We want it to be a fun hat. A very, very fun hat. Applying stickers is hard, by the way. You need a pair of tweezers maybe, if they're a little too small. So there's the hat with a sticker. Now that was cool. That aside, let's put that over here. Put that over there. Let's go to Plants vs. Zombies over here. See what our zombie is, or plant. I think we got a zombie. Yeah, we got a zombie. We got a zombie. In my other blind bag, I ended up with